Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Dunkin Donuts account password. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for My Account at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Manage Profile. Under Manage Profile, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Password Security. Now, enter your password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then confirm new password on the third field. After entering, click on Submit. That's how you change your Dunkin Donuts account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.